In this video, we'll demonstrate how to post long videos on your WhatsApp status. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to share longer videos on WhatsApp status. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback greatly helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started with this tutorial. To share long videos on your WhatsApp status, follow these steps. Open your WhatsApp app, and when you're on the main screen, tap the status option located in the bottom left corner. Once you're in the status section, click on the camera icon to create a new status update. Select the long video that you want to post on your status. WhatsApp typically allows only 30 seconds of video per status update. After you've selected the first 30 seconds of your video, click on the plus symbol. This will create a new status update with the first 30 seconds of your video. To share the entire video, you'll need to create multiple status updates. Select another copy of the video, choose the next 30 seconds, and click Done in the top right corner. Repeat this process until you've covered your entire video. That's how you can post long videos on your WhatsApp status. It's important to divide your video into 30-second segments and create separate status updates for each part. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and valuable content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and stay connected. And remember, you can find more tutorials at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com.